Welcome viewers to Brea Fire Department and more. In today's video, we will see a private ambulance company, Brea Fire Department and Fullerton Fire Department, all responding to different calls such as medical emergencies, traffic collisions, and we will see units leaving the scenes as well as just units driving by. I apologize for the lack of uploads and how rashy my voice is while I'm doing this voiceover, but the good news is I have more episodes on the way, and we will see some cooler stuff, even more cool stuff in the future. I have an LA County Fire FD. An LA County Fire Department video coming up shortly after this video is up. So I really hope you guys enjoy this one. Please like and subscribe if you are watching. We really need to get to 1,000 views before the end of May. So help me out by doing that. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this. Peace out. Let's do this.
Unfortunately, I missed them responding with the whale siren, so that really stunk. I have no words. Yeah! Alright guys, so Metronet just dispatched these two units, Brea Engine 1 and Brea Ambulance 2, to a medical alarm here at Linwood Road and Glen Oak Street. So yeah, I'm just here, documenting, waiting for them to transport. So yeah, I really hope you're enjoying the episode so far. I need everybody to subscribe so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of June. By the beginning of June, sorry, by the end of May. So yeah, please subscribe. I really need that addition. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Looks like they went on the other side for that transport. Looks like they're transporting one person. I have no idea what's happening, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you did, then please subscribe.